Hello, my name is Mike. I work at Phoenix, and today I'm going to take you through the color matching process. First part of the process is getting the actual request, and we either get that through a physical sample or a Pantone that we reference in our Pantone booklet. When we get the color match request, we typically send it out to multiple color houses to get what their version of it is.
It's worth noting that Phoenix has over 500 active colors in our system. This means that we might already have what our customers are looking for, which can expedite the color matching process.
In this case, we did 3 matches. So what we do is we come to our light box, we choose the cool white fluorescent because it's going to be a retail product. We verify the color within the light box to see which one is the closest match. Once we make that determination, we'll send that chip out to the customer for approval. The reason why we use the light box is because depending on the color concentration that's used, it looks different under different lighting. As you can see with this red chip, we have a much brighter color. But once we change it to a home lighting, it gets much darker. And so it's very important that when we're having these conversations with our customers, as well as our color houses, that we're talking the same language at all times. Helps us get those expectations and get a better match in a quicker fashion for our customers. In the event that it's a little off or not quite what they were looking for, we have another tool, which is called the color spectrophotometer. With this, we can take a reading and we can get some quantifiable data such as the blue, yellow, and green hues, which we can talk with the color houses to manipulate what their formulation is to get it closer to what that customer want is.